So you might be in a position where for some reason you keep getting those little pop-ups that tell you that your friend's Snapchat story is about to be gone or whatever the case is. Like it's an unviewed Snapchat story notification. These things are very annoying, and to basically remove them, it's very, very basic. What you want to do is you want to make your way over to your Snapchat application, just like so. And what you want to do here is you want to go and click on the little profile icon that is up there, and it'll bring you into this page. Now what you want to do here is you want to click on the top right to get into settings. And then here, what you want to do is go into notifications. So go and click on the notifications and you'll see tons of different things. Now you can see, I don't know why Snapchat has so many different notifications for the dumbest things, but essentially what you'll basically be able to do is tune these notifications to exactly what you want to have happen, when you get notified. So if you don't want to be notified of Bitmoji and notifications, you can turn it off. And this is the big one. If you don't want to be notified, essentially get someone's notification about your friend's stories. You can turn this off. This is the specific notification you want to turn off. If you don't want to be notified of those random things that keep popping up, like Snapchat Unviewed Story, then go ahead and turn that off. And that is basically the main way you can go ahead and basically fix this. Now you can also turn off these other things too, friend suggestions, mentions, whatever, memories. Some people want to keep memories on, but you can go through here, and I wouldn't go super crazy, but you can go ahead and look through here, turn off the notifications that you don't want to be notified of, and that is basically how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, on me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.